What's up YouTube, this is Shuttleboy and I'm back with yet another video. Today's video, it is Mario's 35th anniversary, so today we're going to be putting on the red cap and we're going to be unboxing Mario 3D All-Stars. I just got it in the mail, so I thought this will be a fun video, so let's get right into it, guys. Alright, so as you guys know, I am a huge Mario fan. I'll put a picture up right now just to show you guys how much of a Mario fan I am. This is a picture I posted on my Instagram story of basically almost every Mario game I own. I own a ton of other Mario things, as you guys have seen with just the hat itself. I have plushes, I have collector's things, which I showed you some in my room tour, but that's not even all of it. But yeah, I'm a huge Mario fan. So this was just really exciting for me. My earliest memories of Mario in general were two different instances. One was playing the NES, actually, the first Mario game, the second and the third. I actually played all of those on an actual NES with my dad, because he actually owned the NES, the actual one, and kept it all these years. And I still own that very one to this day and just love it a ton. It's so awesome. But one of my most personal memories, like just to me, experiencing Mario was actually with Mario Sunshine, where I actually, first time I ever got allowance for anything, I used it towards getting Mario Sunshine. And Mario Sunshine just has a huge place in my heart as far as gaming goes, and I love it forever for that. With Super Mario 64, didn't play it a ton. I had a friend that had a 64, or I think I might have had two friends around the exact same time that had one, and I remember them playing it. And I remember a friend, this is like in kindergarten, a friend lended me his plushie of Mario with the wings on the hat, and I thought that was so cool. And then my other friend let me play 64 a little bit, but most of the time, since obviously it's not a two-player game, or was it? If you know, you know. But I would just watch him while he's playing it. And I still would have a ton of fun, because back in the day, that's just what you did, like with single-player games, because multiplayer wasn't like the biggest thing back in the day. You would just watch your friends play, and that was still fun to you. Obviously not as fun as playing, but you would take turns in single player games and stuff. But then with Super Mario Galaxy, I ended up getting that when I got a Wii. It wasn't my first game, but it was one of my first. I don't remember exactly when I got it, but I did play it. But a guilty story about all of this is that obviously I've never beat that. I actually got the DS version, but I never beat either of those. I got really close with Sunshine, but I never beat it. And I think I got pretty close with Galaxy too, but there's still a ton of things I haven't seen in Galaxy as well. So I actually never beat any of these games. Now I believe I could be wrong on this, but I believe I beat Galaxy 2. But I've beaten Odyssey and stuff, but these games growing up when I was younger were really hard to me. But now growing up, I've played all of them a little bit since then, and they're not as hard to me now. They're not super challenging like they used to be, but you gotta keep in mind, I'm like 5 years old, 6 years old playing these games at the time. But without further ado, let's get into this now, like opening and stuff. Obviously, that's not going to take much time, because this is a pretty simple package, but I wanted to just talk about it with you guys for the most part, rather than just opening. You obviously have the 3 different games on the cover here. I would have liked them to do a different graphic rather than this. I don't know. I don't like this small little strip design they did that just looks kind of dumb to me. They could have did something better, I feel like. And the logo is cool, but it's nothing crazy. Now, let's look at the back. First off, the spine is just plain. Obviously, I showed that backwards, but plain. And then, as for this, let's see if I can get it without a glare. But it says, jump, slide, and soar through Mario's 3D platforming history. And then it says in Spanish, 3 classic adventures enhanced for the Nintendo Switch system. Which, if you've been following gaming YouTube, you know that that is barely. And then you just got some pictures, which all look really cool. And then they show the 3 games. And then it says, 3 iconic soundtracks, playable anytime, anywhere, which, it's cool, but they could have did more with this, which, if you watch more videos on this, you'll understand. I'm not going to get in the nitty-gritty of all this, but it does support the Pro Controller in pretty much every form of how to play. And it does show 1 to 2, because actually in Galaxy you can play 2-player, but it's not traditional 2-player. If you played Odyssey before, that's how you play that, basically, for Galaxy as well. But yeah, let's just open it up. I cut it open a little bit there, just so we could do this quick and easy lemon squeezy. And now it's not so easy, because I screwed up how I did this. This is painful and embarrassing. And I really don't want to have to do a jump cut. Okay, good. We don't have to do a jump cut. This is going to be a 1 take. Phew. Alright, let's open it, guys. Bang, bang. So, we got the art in the back. I kind of wish there was like a reversible cover or something. Or if they wanted to get people to buy a ton of these, what they should have did was make it so this one has a reversible cover of Sunshine, and then another copy randomly has one of Galaxy, and one has it of 64. So that'd make people buy these like super crazy, like they already are, but even more. Or make it so one side has Sunshine and one has Galaxy, and throw one to the side. Or you could throw Sunshine to the side for all I care. I don't know. They could have made this better. But it's still cool nonetheless. And another thing is, I do have a gripe with this game card. The logo's off-center, and I hate that. It's because of the ESRB rating logo, which I hate that they do that. They did this for Pokemon Sword and Shield as well. It looks just like this, and it drives me crazy. I think the design is cool enough, though. But all in all, I do gotta say, like, this is something really awesome to own physically. Like, this is something that, without a doubt, I had to get this physically. It's not as crazy as I would have hoped packaging-wise. You know, just because this is like the 35th anniversary game, essentially. I would have liked to see at least like some kind of handout, or just a little bit more thought than just saying, hey, a collage on the back and just a gold game card. If they made the whole game card gold, that would have been crazy, but pretty simple. I mean, it's gonna get your money without a doubt. But if you were there back during the 25th anniversary, and the things they did for that Wii game, which albeit were some just cheapo NES port games, they at least put some cool packaging in it. And I don't know, I would have liked to see that, but I'm not going to complain too much, because what were the odds we were going to see these 3 games on a modern platform all at one time? I mean, that's amazing nonetheless. But that's pretty much going to conclude the video, guys. Let me know down below if you ended up actually copping this. I am super hyped for this game. And also let me know, like, what's the first game you want to play from this, or what's your favorite game from this, even if you don't own it. Mine is Sunshine. Then it's a hard tie. It's pretty close to both. I think I'm gonna go Galaxy next, and then 64. 64's graphics are just so bad now that they really bother me. But that's gonna conclude the video, guys. Please hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already for more golf wing, more sneakers, more clothing, more Shuttleboy. And this is Shuttleboy, guys. I'm out, guys. Peace.